Welcome to Accelerated Fastening. I'm Reed Felton. The Sky Drill comes with dust collection, so we've provided a video on how to mount the drill, which we've already gone through. To mount the drill, you usually take the dust collection off. I'm going to show you how to put it back on. What I've done is I've scribed a line right behind the two tapped holes with my bottom half of the clamp in place. It's a little hard to see those holes when you try to put it all together. So I'm going to grab the dust collection unit, put it on there, line it up with my line here. I'm going to press down on it a little bit as I pick up the other part. And that line, that scribed line, is still being helpful. See if we can get these started, which we are getting them started. Now we don't tighten this too much, but I'll show you how it can be adjusted here without it being too tight. So we have a drill in there. You want the hood about even with the end of the drill. Sometimes maybe let the drill stick up a 1/4 inch so it's easier to see. Then, when it's in place, snug these up. Not over tightened, because you could actually impede the movement of our carbon fiber tube here. So let's check it. I'm going to press down on this. It moves real freely. It's pretty much centered in the hood, although it doesn't really have to be. It's going to work either way. So that's a pretty simple way to mount your dust collection. It's a fantastic unit. It's going to collect most of the silica dust that you generate and keep you in compliance with OSHA and out of trouble. Hope this was helpful for you folks. Thank you.